Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. Don't try to adjust your set. I really am this handsome. Yeah, right. Okay, let's cut the jokes here, especially the bad jokes, and let's check out this unit that we're going to be demonstrating. It is a AM-8 track out of a 70 Plymouth Barracuda. This comes from Charles in Sandersville, Georgia, and it is now an AM-FM 8 track. With a little more clearer sound on the HI because it's got my preamp. So we're here to make sure it all works before we send her back. I've got it set to AM right now to the one strong station I get. So let's go ahead and turn it on to the AM.
End this conversation.
There's our AM. And
yeah, I mean,
check our speaker balance.
The courts have put it back
balance
to
right.
the states.
Left.
That's very clear.
Right.
And it's advancing in some states. Look, it's unfortunate. You have a state like Minnesota where they have allowed, with what Senator went and have pushed for. And
now we're going to move over to FM. We don't need this stuff anymore. And if your radio does not have an AM/FM switch, then the way to change bands is to turn the radio off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test.
Stop doing the fall in love hand.
And even a new avocado.
70. Flagstaff 40.
Okay, let's try the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka here.
What they're saying is so low. It's all I have to do. Let's go steady again. Everybody calls me invitation love. Let's go steady again.
Okay, pull the puncture and let you grab the tape. Radio comes back. So she's all ready to go. I've already tested the dial light. You'll just have to trust me on that one. That one requires a different connection on this particular radio because it's wired to the original connectors, so we don't get the big increase in output power, but we have an AM/FM radio with 8-track, so we're good to go here. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about my options, prices, and turn times, because that's all in the work order and it's on the website. So that'll save us both about 15 minutes on the phone, which is extremely valuable to me because 15 minutes on the phone is 15 minutes that I'm not getting any work done. So please do observe my need for efficiency and download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Charles, for your business all the way from Sandersville, Georgia, and we'll see you next time.